Hello guys, in today's video I'm reviewing that iPad mini and just answering the question if it's still worth using in 2023. This is kind of bizarre, but this iPad is going to be 12 years old this year. So yeah, it doesn't have the best specs, as you can see. Has 512 megabytes of RAM, which is decent enough for a device like this, I guess. This camera is not perfection, but it's pretty good, I would say, for a device like this. Alright, let's see how good it is for gaming. I don't really have high hopes for this, but I think it should do some basic stuff. Alright, so honestly, it's not terrible. I think this is a solid 60 FPS. So this is just a basic geometry dash level, so let's just speed it up because why not? And I fucked up here. Okay, so this is some game I played like 6 years ago. It's about driving, obviously. And yeah, it runs pretty well. Yeah, I don't really have anything to say about this. It's just decent, I guess. Can this iPad run YouTube videos? So let's just see. So the loading time, yeah, it's pretty slow, obviously. It freezes here and there. But it loads, as you can see. Well, not right now, but you will in a few seconds, I guess. Maybe more than a few seconds. Okay, that wasn't actually that bad. Okay. Yeah, this is just my cheating channel. So yeah. Alright, so this is just me loading up one of my videos. And as you can see, it runs decent. It's 360p right now, but you can change it. As you can see, I'm just doing it right here. And yeah, there we go, 720p. And yeah, there we go, the quality's a bit higher now. And yeah, I think, yeah, it's decent. Would I recommend using this iPad? Probably not. I'd recommend getting a newer one, just because of software updates and that kind of shit. But yeah, it's still a cool little device you can have.